Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export G-code from PrusaSlicer. So what we need to do, I will show you just this step how to export it. So what we are going to do, I assume that you have already this model on your plate. Then what you're going to do is slice now button, press slice now button here at the bottom right corner. You will be thrown into the preview mode, preview section tab, however. And yeah, now what we are going to do, you see here some supports which are not necessary if you turn this a little bit differently. But this doesn't matter now, so we just need to export. So again, at the bottom right corner, you will see export G-code. So click on that. This file will open up, click save, and it will export into where you want it on your computer. So as you can see, now we have it right here. Now what you can do, you can select SD card, USB drive, copy there, or you already did that. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next